Morning, guys. Just thought I'd do an update on Bitcoin because the last time I updated, which was a couple of days ago, I was suggesting this was where my bias laid at the moment with this pattern. Um, Obviously, price has played out over the last couple of days, and it's been pretty weak, obviously, and it now looks like it's going to break down pretty soon. Um, so I think we just got to acknowledge a few other ideas. Um, I've got two ideas basically. Before, so say for instance, this isn't coming in at the moment, and we go further down. And the reason I'm suggesting further down is altcoins look like they need to go further down. I say need to go further down. It's just timing points that they still haven't hit on some of them, and they're showing up round about the 29th. So it makes sense if bit if altcoins go down, then Bitcoin would be driving it down too. Um, so there's two ideas. We had this more bearish idea, but I'm still not sure if that's correct because I just don't think it's going to go into July as far. I could be wrong, especially because I could see alts bouncing. So the other idea would be is if we do go down here, if we do go down here now, we could be creating some sort of harmonic, like so. So let's put it on the 28th, like that. And say for instance we take these lows here, so that'd be where a lot of liquidity would be. So we go down there, and then what we're doing is we'd still be making the next wave of some sort, but it'd look like be an ABC X wave. So we'd be looking at it like this: A, B, and then a CX wave, which would be a bit more impulsive, which would be nice anyway. Because at the moment we've got a three wave move here, which is like some sort of like WXY. So say that's a WXY. Now we're in X wave, which is an ABC X wave, and then we'd be completing on a bigger picture like a WXY, um, WX, and then we go down for the Y, which then makes a really big harmonic pattern on the bigger picture. So I think that's something just to consider anyway. I did have some alt longs open the other day, which I mentioned, and I've closed them. I've closed some of them in profit, and then the rest at break even. Um, The only thing I wanted to share as well is just this fixed range which I had on here at the start. At the moment, we're now looking to go down to test the value area low, where all the range volume is. And if we go down to test that, that's fine. It could bounce off air. It could be a potential long. But if we just go straight through it and then obviously come back and retest, then I'd be expecting a continuation down and this pattern to play out basically. So I think my bias from the other day was obviously the account I had on the screen at the start, which was not that one. It was this one. But now I'm looking at, to be honest, the possibility of a more bearish idea for the next couple of days, and with an possible ABC, as I've suggested, for X wave, a three wave X wave, basically, something like that. And then obviously, then we continue lower after that. So just something to bear in mind. I think this leg here has been really hard to count. Um, but same score because it's a B. If it's a B leg as I'm suggesting of some sort, then that would that sort of makes sense because I've also said B waves are very choppy. So yeah, we'll just go with that at the moment. A couple of ideas. I don't think there's any great longs at the moment. Um, if anything, if we get a bit of a bounce today, I'll be looking at some shorts to be honest. Just on some alts because I've just got them going down to be honest. I think that I'm ordering a short automatic, which I've been in over a month anyway, and I shared in my Telegram group. Um, but that's about it really. I think we'll just have to wait and see now. obviously over the weekend, not much is going to happen anyway. Might pop down today, hit the value area low, being a Friday, then bounce over the weekend, and then continue down like that. So probably that's more an ideal situation, and it'd be a nice sort of like short, a bit more higher up. But yeah, we'll see anyway, and we just play it from here. That's it, then, guys. I'll catch you later.